Hello there, I'm Ariana Hunter, real estate broker and financial expert. And today in credit cards, we're going to be talking about disputes, late fees, and complaints. Well, banking nowadays want to be winning your business and want to please you, so they accommodate you. And so what happens is that if you have a dispute, you submit it, they'll take your side, refund your money, and you keep the merchandise. Or the best scenario is if you return the merchandise, but most people don't do that. So you do this the first month, and then you do it maybe twice in a month, or you do it every 3 months. So then it shows that there is a pattern. Well, what happens is that now they're returning your fees, they're accommodating you, but they'll close down your credit card, they'll close down your checking account, and it happens way more often than people believe. You'll get away with it, but not for long. If you do this at least once a month, or if it is your routinely every 2 months, you do this, and then they will see a pattern, and most likely they will close your card. Same thing for late fees. They'll reimburse your late fees, but you will not be pulling that for very long, and that is what's happening lately with the banking. And so that is for grade A banks or credit cards. Big banks, they could afford to do this because they're going to be losing money if you keep doing that. So they know that you are not the type of client they want. And there are a lot of clients who pay on time and who don't make that many claims or disputes. So be aware of this. Don't don't submit claims, especially if they're not legitimate. Don't submit them as part of your return policy for yourself. Take it on with the merchant and try to get your refund that way if it is truly a problem. But don't. It usually happens when you are not in good communication with the merchant that you go to the bank and dispute it with the bank. So try not to go that route. Take it on with the merchant, and don't bring it to your bank, only if it is legitimate and not very often. So this will not happen to you. I hope this has helped you. Till next time.